and hit record, and now it is definitely recording, or it should be.
They made Mr. Locke the subject of your first podcast.
You what?
Mr. Locke.
Oh.
He said make him the subject of the vibe stream.
Okay, now we are up to 4 listeners. Okay, pretty cool.
This is somebody besides me and your sister, right?
You would hope, yeah. Yep. And that's my dad in the background, who may or may not be coming through clearly. I'm actually not. I'm actually not quite sure, but.
Well, I'm a little bit anonymous.
Oh well, there is that. Cool. So I think we are live, and of course, now that I'm live, I'm going. Okay, what the heck do I talk about? Oh, jeez.
Tech.
Well,
how tech has
why
changed
not?
your life in the last few years.
Yeah, the last few years?
Yeah.
Talk about the last decade.
Well, as long as you can remember. I mean, remember when you started out using the Braille note, okay? And over you get an email through my Braille note. Yay, we're connected to the internet.
Yeah, no, we...
That was our first brush with death, okay?
Yeah, really.
We haven't been able to stop you since.
No, it's been a lifelong, thus far anyway, a lifelong love for it that I don't see going away anytime soon.
And now...
Yep, I got someone listening to it. Sweet.
Now from the comfort of sitting on your butt, you can do a lot of things just with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all kinds of crazy
Well,
shit.
yeah, and I mean there are remote tools that are they work. I wish the situation was better in terms of in terms of a blind person trying to use them, because right now they're kind of tricky, but they can be made to work with some effort. And
Yeah.
hopefully that's something that Microsoft will fix or help to change.
Well, I mean, somebody's listening because, you know, there
Hopefully.
for a while, the only things that you were getting were JAWS to do your screen reading and stuff, and now just about everybody's got it included in their software package, right?
It's
Or
yeah,
something similar.
yeah. I mean, there's built-in options in almost everything now.
I mean, it's like when you first started out. What were the text-to-speech options? Okay,
They're really poor.
It
Yeah.
sounded like Stephen Hawking
Uh-huh.
or Stephen Hawking.
Yeah, it was terrible. Uh-huh.
Okay. I think the first good one we ever heard was Kate. I liked Microsoft Kate.
Oh, yeah, that one.
I
Mhm.
fell in love with Microsoft Kate. Okay.
That's a decent one, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got
Oh, for sure.
I've got her buried on a computer somewhere in the attic.
Somewhere.
Okay. But yeah, if I was going to pick a voice, okay, for my text to speech,
Yeah, probably that one.
it would be Kate. I like that one. But yeah, they've come a long way. You don't have to
Oh, God.
like this anymore.
So yeah, for people listening to this, if you want to chat, you can either call or you can go to ding.ga/CHRISSTREAM. That is it's an online chat platform I got someone joined, and when you do join, it gives you a random name. So in the chat box, you want to type /NICK, a space, and the name that you want to be known by. Yeah, I think it does that because this is meant to be kind of an anonymous log on and log off deal, but I actually quite like it because it works extremely well, and you don't have to make any kind of accounts or anything like that.
I'm gonna go get myself a chair. I'll be right back.
Kind of nice, actually.
So far, so good.
/NICK, a space, and your name. So I can do, let's do Chris. Or no, is it /nickname? Oh, it's /nickname. I'm sorry. I believe. So we do /nickname Christopher. Or maybe I'm forgetting my, we're getting, okay, well, this is great. Let me figure out what it is. Oh wow, there's a dictionary. You can change your nickname by typing /NICK, a space, and your name. That should work. Let's see. Okay, so that sends it. Okay, so it's working. Got someone asking where. Let's see, hold on. Where do we call you? The number to call is, if you want to call directly, 502-532-4549. And speaking of which, let me open that up, which just goes to show you how unprepared I am. So let's go to voice.google.com, 502-532-4549. And by the end of this, I'm going to have that number memorized. There we go. You can also send text messages if you want. I think I can get messages from that too. Either way. Although it's alright. Icecast. Let's see, let's just check on the stats here. 3 listeners, okay. The peak is 4. Okay, so I thought I might get more people, but maybe not. Ah, well. It's alright. What?
Daniel Locke, where are you?
Oh, the guy that was on my channel saying, oh, I want to be part of the stream.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Where are you, Daniel? He's trying to log in with that weird... Mom's still trying to log... Oops, sorry. Mom's still trying to log into the chat thing. We'll see how that one goes. But yes, you could... Daniel could have the privilege of being the first.
The first one, yeah,
Okay.
if he shows up. Got a chat? Yeah, I'm getting chats. You just might want to change your nickname. /NICK. Let's try this. Yeah, so here, let's do /NICK Chris. Or actually, I think it only lets you change it maybe once every... Let's see, /. Yeah, so it's working on my end. Anyway.
Well, you've had one person hop on and hop off besides just me and Mom. So there's somebody else is listening too.
Someone else. Yeah, no, I'm getting your message. It's just, it's showing a random name and it's really dumb, so.
That's okay.
But
so
yeah.
You get people,
That works.
Thank you.
That works though.
We could talk about anything.
Yeah.
You know?
And the nice thing, can we call you on Skype or Zoom if we have your info? Yeah, and actually that might sound better. Although the way I have it set up right now, you would have to hear yourself, unless I did it from another computer, which I could conceivably do.
Hey, you got 5 or 6 computers.
You know what?
Yes.
You know what?
We're
Let's.
not learning as we're doing this.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, this is.
What can I help with?
This is definitely a first try thing, just because.
Which computer do you want to use?
Probably run Mac, because the other one.
Let me help you find it.
Come on.
It's so thin, you lose track of it.
No, I put somewhere dumb.
No dead air. We're looking for it.
Hold on. Yeah, this is. This is.
In fact, I don't even see it.
I probably put it somewhere like a dum dum.
Oh, it's still in your police.
Oh, the
Yeah. That thing you took over the workforce commission.
No.
No. Okay. Is it stuck in there somewhere?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Nope. No, it's not very. There it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da! On your bed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the thing. I've never held it. That feels nice.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's a decent. It's a decent.
What I always liked about it was that MacBook Air was the first computer you got where you didn't have to add anything to it to use it.
No, you just
Okay.
take it out of the box, and
And bam, it was working. I mean, because the other ones you had to set up NVDA. Okay, because I still got that on my computer.
yeah. Let me open up Zoom and then. There we go. Here, let's send it through. That way, it sounds better because why not? Plug this in and hit the button on the mixer. That should hopefully send it through, and now you can hear my
Finder, Spotlight.
So yeah,
Finder,
I don't know if we're
desktop,
gonna actually.
Skype window. Skype
Hey,
my info.
that's
Welcome.
someone else on here. Oops, and I did not
Chris
want to
Wright.
open up Skype.
Quit
Open up,
Finder. Desk.
Zoom.
Zoom.us. Zoom.us. Zoom window. Chat selected. 2 of home. 1 of 4.
Okay. Let's see, where's
Chat meetings. Contact. Search contacts. Press. Contact. Search. Zoom. Directory. Add contact. Directory list. Table.
okay, so Bryant, you wanted
Verticals.
to talk to me?
View contact.
Yes?
View
I
contact.
can
Directory.
have you on here?
Starred.
Why not?
Company contacts. 0 member. Expandable list. Starred. Row 1. External. Company. Starred. Out. 4.
Well, why is it not
Home.
showing?
Chat. 2 of 4. Button. Meetings. Chat. 2 of 4.
Why is it not
Contact.
showing
Search. Zoom. Jump to. Edit text. Table. Starred. Row.
Huh?
So I could hear what you're doing.
I should get a splitter or something, because...
Starred messages. Christopher Wright. Recent. Chat. Thomas Upton. Austin.
Hold on, let me
Oh, I see. Yeah.
not have it
That's what I said.
broadcasting all kinds of crap here. I'll just call him.
I could use my laptop
Sure.
with headphones.
You could, yeah.
Except for I'd be hearing a delay from here. That's the problem.
Okay, so
You see how much of a delay there is between us yakking? Okay, ready?
there's a little bit of a delay.
I'm gonna go like this. Testing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. And
Meeting
let me
ID.
turn the mix on. Hello?
Zoom meeting ID.
Hi.
Enter full.
Hey, I think...
Christopher, turn on original sound button. Turn off original.
There we go. Let's turn that on. And I think that should be going through the stream now. Yeah, I'm using my Mac for this. Because,
Hi.
Someone, I wanna,
Hmm?
I'm gonna go listen on my computer for a second to see what's happening.
Okay.
Are you talking to somebody now?
Yeah, he should be coming through the actual live stream unless I didn't set things up
Oh,
correctly.
Why is there like a big delay?
Why is there a big delay? Because of the way that the server works. I think they do that
yeah,
too.
but I can hear you.
Oh, I can hear myself. Hi, look at that. Yeah, there's a delay because the way
I can hear you
the server
twice.
works. Well, that's what happens when you're listening to the stream at the same time. We have 4 listeners. Oh, 5. That's kind of cool.
Hold on.
So welcome everyone. This is a friend of mine. His name's Bryant. Known him for about 9-10 years.
There we go.
He
That's better.
wanted to be on here, so I said why not.
Yeah.
Um,
I had a question for you. Have you taken the NVDA certification test?
I have not. I probably could, but the problem with that is that's such a niche thing that I don't think it would matter really
Oh.
to most places and most people. But I suppose I could. I mean, there's nothing that would stop me from doing that, and I guess that might provide some kind of credibility. I don't know.
Yeah.
But generally, no. I would generally value something like CompTIA over anything like that. Yeah. So yeah, we have 3 listeners now, I guess.
Yeah, no, I heard it's working.
It should be.
Brian's volume's a little low compared to you.
How many listeners?
Hmm?
Says Brian's volume's a little low compared to you.
Oh, here, let me turn this up. Just
Turn off original sound button.
But yeah, no, it's working.
turn my computer up. Yeah, that's always the problem I have is trying to get the volume levels to be decent. But
Yeah.
So does Brian have Amazon Echo hooked up in his home?
he's got an Echo Plus, I think.
Yeah.
Is that the one with the screen?
Uh,
That's the Echo Show.
Yeah, no, that's the Echo Show. I think the Plus is just a larger version of the regular Echo. As far as I know, which I don't. I mean, I guess they're kind of cool, but I don't know if it's really worth the extra price. Truth be told.
What, for the Plus?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's a bigger speaker, I guess, but yeah, not really. I don't know.
Alexa, what time is it?
I like hooking stuff up with
The time is 4:26 p.m.
the whole system. Okay? It's like we could sit here in Chris's broadcast studio and tell my pool filter to turn on and off.
Yeah, that is very cool.
I like that. Okay, it's like you can go, Alexa, turn off pool.
And
that
it just-
it's that very satisfying ding.
Yeah, let me turn this up a little bit. There we go. So that you can hear it. Hopefully.
And then you say, Alexa,
Yeah, I can hear myself
turn
too.
the pool on.
Oh, probably if you're listening to the stream, yeah.
Ding.
No, I'm not. I'm not
Turn the pool
anymore.
on.
Oh,
What do you mean pool?
is my, Oh. That might be coming through my headphones, I'm not quite sure. Which, yeah, I might just need some better headphones.
What? My voice?
Yeah, that might be the reason why you can kind of hear yourself.
No, I can hear myself like, oh, you know what? I know why.
Or do I have the mixer going through? Because, like, if I hit this button
Ouch.
on this computer,
I know
is it
what I'm
sending?
hearing myself. Hold on.
Oh, that's on your end.
Because I'm listening to my microphone. That's why.
Thank you, Brian, for helping us
Yeah.
work this one
Yes. Thank you for being here. Yeah.
Working out how to make all this stuff work. It's not like we just spent $100,000 going to broadcast school.
Yeah, I know.
You know, and you're in debt up to your eyeballs at 21.
Yeah, no. Yeah,
There we
no.
go. Now I can't hear myself.
That's not the whole idea. I wish I could get the other end of the conversation.
Do I have a?
You need a splitter on your fucking output.
I could get a splitter probably
For what?
for my mixer. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll run over to Radio Shack.
Yeah, Radio Shack's gone. Whoops.
Because normally they'd have it.
Yeah.
Okay? You'd walk in, what a quarter-inch, quarter-inch phone plug splitter. Okay.
But you can probably find them on
Yeah, it's gonna take
online
forever.
or Walmart would probably have them.
I don't think they're very expensive.
Except for 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, well, yeah, when there's no people.
Yeah. Yeah. Not that I'm afraid of crowds or anything.
Oh, well.
It's just, I'll add that to the list.
Yeah, an
No, 'cause I
audio
just like
splitter.
I just like to hear
Oh, well, yeah.
hear Brian. Because I can go out there and I got it on my computer, but it's on a delay. And if
Yeah.
I brought it in here and listen to it, I'd drive myself fucking crazy.
Yeah, trying
Excuse me. I'd drive myself bleeping crazy. Yes.
No.
We'll try to keep it clean.
Yeah, I usually try to, yeah, because it's just like, it's not usually necessary to swear like that, but I don't know, it's not.
You try to keep it PG.
Try to keep it PG, yeah, there you go.
I've tried. I really have.
Try to keep it, yeah. What's the term? Family friendly?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta be.
So your kids can.
You can talk about all kinds of goofy stuff, but don't swear.
Yeah. Oh, the kids can listen to it. No,
And you can talk about deviant behavior and excuse me, and all kinds of other things, but don't swear.
yeah.
So gadgets off the button here.
Well, I've been learning, yeah. That's.
By the way, for those of you who don't know me, I am Bryant, and I have been Chris's friend for
That's a speaker.
what, 9 years.
9, yeah,
Probably.
almost 10 years.
Yeah.
What's a speed? Oh, yeah, that might be a speed.
Notification center. Low battery.
My battery's going dead. Oh, what the hell is this?
Alert from system UI server. Low battery. Alert from close hot. Zoom.ui.
Yeah, I think this speaker might be broken or just not working.
Oh, wait a minute. What do you got going on? Oh, you got two different.
Oh, yeah.
You got a
Oh.
dedicated. Oh, you got a dedicated plug for your.
Here, I can grab it.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I have the right one.
Oop.
There you go. Here's your engineer.
Oh,
Here, I got it hooked up. It'll stretch to where you need to go. There.
oh, it just clips. Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, one of the good things about this model before they got rid of their magnetic chargers.
They got rid of them because people pick up too many staples.
No, they switched over to USB-C.
That's interesting because nobody else. I mean, that's what like mom's
Yeah.
mom's phone's a USB-C.
Yeah. No, but that is a trend.
I'm surprised. Apple. Why did Apple use somebody else's fucking connector?
It's why? Yeah. Yeah. Why didn't they use their own? I don't know.
But we could have come up with something that
Yeah.
have to have a lever on it to fucking to attach it or something.
Yeah.
I'm
Really.
surprised you come up with a proprietary connection.
Yeah. Really. Oh gosh. Okay, so we got 3 listeners. That's okay.
Brian, me, and mom.
It's terrible.
It's okay. No.
But you know what?
You gotta
It's
start.
Yeah.
It's a start, okay?
oh yeah, sure.
See, you gotta have something besides a blank screen.
Yeah. I could do a graphic of something. I don't know. You could do a
One of those backgrounds of aquarium fish swimming or something.
yeah.
You know?
Yeah, sure. Just some fish.
I asked Kathy if she was interested in doing any graphics. No. She's not bitching about it. She just doesn't want to listen to it.
Oh,
Okay.
well, fine.
Well, she's in the blast with something on her iPhone.
I can hear it from in here, and yeah.
You hear her? So Brian, is he back in Idaho or is he going to school somewhere?
Oh, be quiet.
You still? I think he's at school.
Yeah,
Yep.
I for another
In state or is
3 weeks.
In the
3
state.
and a half.
He's there for the next 3.5 weeks. Yep.
Yep, and then I'm going
Until
home
summer.
for about 3 months.
college?
And then you're gonna do what? I'm sorry.
I'm going home for about 3 months.
Oh. And what I guess what grade or how far are you into college?
I'm a sophomore.
Oh. Sophomore. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
It's his second year, he's finishing up his second year of school. Hot dog.
Yep. Very cool. Okay. Oh man.
And we encourage the listeners to talk to Chris. So
Yeah.
So I'll shut up.
Yeah, I mean that's the point of this is
I'm boring.
for listener interaction. Although I guess there aren't that many, so well, yeah.
Well, okay.
There you go.
So what? You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. But yeah, no, I just thought, why not try doing this? It's
Well, it's certainly something different, not
Not
Not games
Brian,
or-
Design history is your first car, okay?
yeah.
We'll put his picture up on the wall like you do your first dollar bill from a job.
Put his picture up on the wall. Yeah, there you go.
A wall of shame or a wall of infamy. Whatever you want to call it. I would just write down his name on a piece of paper and stick it in the top, okay? And just add names as you go down.
Oh yeah, really.
And we're still waiting for Daniel Locke to make an appearance.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, I may be off by a couple of minutes, but I've been live streaming now for, let's see, what time is it? Like almost 6. Let's check real quick.
It's
5:36.
5:30 your time, yeah.
Yeah. Not really.
And we're commercial free, thank you very much.
Hey,
We
we
are
have
commercial free.
yes,
No advertisements
no ad,
or
no ads for Geico.
Yeah. I mean, I could do one if you want. Hi, I want to sell you some stuff that you would not normally buy.
that you would not normally buy.
No, you think about it, right? You know, when was the last time they advertised, you know, T-bone steak anywhere?
Yeah, no.
You don't have to advertise that if you want it, okay?
Yeah, no.
Or an advertisement.
Last time you hear a commercial for a Ford Mustang, okay? Nah, they sell themselves, okay? People go and buy them. They want one, they go buy it, okay?
Yep.
But you take something junky like, I don't know.
I'm getting your messages.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Trying to-
I'll shut up. Just point your finger at me. That'll tell me to shut up, okay? Well, I can't hear the other end of the conversation.
I know, that's what kind of sucks.
Okay, but that's why we do the, you know, version, you know, 1.1.
Version 1, yeah.
Version 1. Okay, point 1 is when we get a splitter. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we're still growing. Or
When
really...
when will version 2 be released?
Just started 36 minutes ago. Okay, actually 2 hours and 36 minutes. Okay.
My computer always freezes. That's...
How old is it?
Yeah. How old is your computer and what were you doing before it froze? I don't know.
Were you installing viruses?
Were you installing viruses? No viruses or keyloggers. No, that is very bad.
We could make an advertisement about your live stream. Please join us as we...
Oh, it says he's got a Mac and it's 5 years old. Might just be too much junk on it.
Oh, shut up.
When was the last time you turned it off?
That too. Have you tried restarting it?
Yeah. How many times you fix stuff for you? Just like, Dad, did you turn your phone off and turn it back on?
Yes.
You know, oh, my son's gone haywire.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your sister's in blasting something so nobody can hear you.
I know.
I'll be right back.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
It does seem like
Try to reboot.
Macs are more stable than Windows. I don't know if that's the case as much anymore, but it seems like Mac operating systems are a little more stable than...
Yeah, I mean, maybe not quite as much anymore because it seems like Apple is...
I know that used to be.
It seems like Apple is not really doing as much as they could be and should be.
Hey, I like apples.
Yeah, uh-huh.
I might go eat an apple right now. Oh wait, I don't have one.
Goodbye. I will be back. Okay. Take it easy, and when you come back, let us know if you actually managed to get it fixed. But yeah, just try doing a reboot and see if that does anything.
What it's ding.g.
Yep. ding.ga/CHRISSTREAM.
CHRISTOPHER.
It should be, yeah.
So I have ding.gn/Christopher.
Oh, it's ding.ga/CHRISSTREAM. So basically, ding.ga/Chris stream, all one word.
Okay.
And hopefully my volume levels are reasonably good. I'm not sure. I could go listen to the stream and just to check and make sure.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there you go. I think you're.
Oh, there we go.
On there now.
/Christopher-Ding says. /Christopher-Ding.
I think that might just be
Top of the
you and
page.
me on this chat.
Oh. Let me see if this works.
Did I get that? Wait, why am I not getting messages?
Did that work?
Let's see. Let's try test. It. Unless you're not in the right chat. What What did you type into the
Oh, oops.
What did you type into the? Oh wait, what? Endless Giant.
Ding.ga slash
CHRIS STREAM
STRBAN.
EAM.
Okay.
Chris
CHRIS.
Stream. Yep.
Please have a moment.
Oh, I typed
Oh, for what?
I typed Christopher. There's apparently a person named Christopher, so I started sending messages. I typed team.ga slash Christopher.
I mean, I guess what I could do is I could get you on Zoom or Skype,
I think
and then you would come through too.
who?
Zoom meeting ID.
My dad.
Oh,
What did I do now?
Oh, I'm just saying I could get you to join Zoom. Let's see.
Original set. My connected time is 0 hour 21 minute.
Oh, 21 minutes. Okay. Is the stream up? The stream should be up. Unless it crashed. It says there's two listeners, so yeah. It should be up.
Okay, let's see if I can find your link. See, now I'm just trying.
Trying to do what? Oh, I sound like it. Yeah. Oh, hey, that's me. Oh, hi. I think what I'm going to start doing is live streaming. Shut up.
What's nice? Watch this. I can do
Because
that.
whoa! What are you doing?
he's playing my stuff on his.
Well, I want to try to hear a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Oh, you got 5 comments now. All right.
Oh, damn.
Way to go, Chris. Let's see, 720 subscribers.
720? Wow. Okay.
Okay, Chris, could you please play the killer? How do you put NVDA to sleep in Windows 10? There you go.
Oh, yep.
I am talk the language is English. My name is Black Caption. Please give Android phone blind games, blind people using gaming Android mobile phones. This is I want.
Android mobile.
Blind gaming Android mobile phone. Give the link for your description. Thank you.
Blind.
There's something in acrylic. I don't know. Oh, this is good. This is answer these people.
Yeah,
Brian,
I've been
what
trying
do
to.
you think? How do you put NVDA to sleep in Windows 10?
Depends what keyboard layout you're using.
Okay. Why don't I? Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Now we got the string, the stream, and the ding. Okay.
Yeah, for lack of a better chat thing to send messages back and forth, I went with that because it.
Ooh, it says open with Google Chrome or Safari.
Oh,
I got Google Chrome on this.
did someone install that? Probably.
Yes. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna push open. Oh, I got a question for you. What happens if I push open?
It opens the link. It opens the link, and there should be play controls. And,
Opens the link and there should be play controls. Yay!
oh, hi. Now I can hear that twice. That's,
Well, I muted it, okay? I'll find a headphone or something. I just want to get a conversation.
oh, yeah.
But a link works really well. Okay?
Yep.
Except for you need a really echoey microphone.
Really echo, yeah, uh-huh.
Can you add, like, you know, in a cave broadcasting mode?
Stop.
Is there like an annoying switch on there?
Yeah, no.
Everything! Kids playing in the backyard and dog
It drives me crazy.
Yeah, no, it sounds good on the iPad.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's, this is not working. What is not working?
So you should be able to toggle back and forth between
Yep.
that. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, what is not working? I don't know what you're talking about. Unfortunately.
What is not working? I don't know what you're talking about. You got any headphones, Captain? Welcome, Kathy. Welcome, Kathy, to the broadcast.
Yes, Kathy is now part of this broadcast.
I'm gonna do your bed.
Yes, Kathy is now part of this
Just do the broadcast. That nobody's on. Nobody's on it.
Hey, let me check my messages here.
Let's see.
Of
It's
course,
upside down, Chris.
what, the screen?
Sideways.
Here, oh.
Did you get that? Did you get my message,
Sideways,
Chris?
Chris. It's sideways.
There, how's that?
Good. Why do you have to have a computer, Chris?
Huh?
Why do you have to have a computer?
Because I'm talking to Bryant over Skype, or Zoom, which, actually, that'd be another way to get,
Does it work?
this is ATEST. I'm not sure what that means.
Chris. Does
Oh,
it
I
work?
meant to say test.
Oh,
I was just testing the,
Does it
hi
work?
all. Yep, hey.
This is iPhone 6s. Work.
Yes, it works. Don't mess with it.
You got a new subscriber, Chris.
Yes, it works. Just leave it
Hi.
Oh, you
alone.
got a new
Adele.
subscriber.
Okay, I'll check
It's the
that.
same as Kevin Roberts.
Okay, I'll check that in a second.
hi, Adele, or
I'm waiting.
Adele, or however you say
Adele,
that.
Adele, I don't know.
Nobody's gonna be on your live.
That is my sister. That is my sister,
Who's-
Kathy.
Who is that little kid?
Yeah, that is my sister. Yep.
No, that's you, Chris.
No. I used to sound like that a long time ago, but no. That's not me anymore.
I think we all did at one point.
Oh, yeah. Oh, certainly. I could, well, actually, no, I couldn't because I don't know if it would come through or not. I was going to say, I could try to call my dad using Google Voice, but that would sound like crap. Because it's going over the plain old telephone system. But I guess it'd work if we really had to do it that way. So yeah, no, I am still here. Oh. Work, thanks so much. It's not freezing anymore. Yep, usually you find when you reboot things, it fixes it.
Yeah.
Usually. Not always, but... Yep. Yep. Yes, indeed.
Yep, I find that a simple restart helps a lot of the time.
Oh yeah.
especially if you've had your computer on for.
Yeah, if it's been on for quite a while, yeah, that usually helps to just restart it.
I gave Dad some headphones that came from Echo.
I know some people have. Some people, like, if they use their
I will check with
computer.
you again if I have problems. Yep.
That's just his.
Uh,
That's something else.
how did you get IceCast? I actually had to install it. I installed it on my Linux server. That's putting it basically. And it's somewhat of an involved process, but once you have it running, it runs pretty well.
What shit can I do it on?
And then you just need a program.
Let's do that. Like that.
Well, that one doesn't have it.
What?
No, let's do that.
What? You can probably hear yourself too.
Hear it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's. Yeah, I can hear myself.
Uh-huh. And hopefully I am recording and/or it's being archived, because the last time I did a live stream, it failed to record. Really,
Yeah,
Kathy?
so you did all
Yes,
that
really.
work.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Yeah, I did all that work and it didn't save it, but
Okay.
oh well.
Wait, what's today's date?
The 13th.
Oh, that's why I got the wrong one. Okay, never mind.
It's the 12th, isn't no. It's the 12th,
Yeah, it
yes.
is the 12th today. Yep.
Here.
So, yeah, we are continuing here. If you have any
Whoa.
questions, feel free to post them.
Yeah, it is.
Wrong one.
What?
Try.
No, it's the wrong one, Kathy.
Yeah, and I gotta figure out what that hissing is all about. I think it's part of the mixer.
I can't hear.
It's the wrong date, Kathy.
Oh, really?
Kathy, it's. Kathy.
I know.
Yeah, I don't hear any hissing.
March.
Oh.
That's March.
Yes.
Wait,
That's the one I want right there.
What are you trying to do?
I wanted the comment. Where's his comment? Oh, there we go.
Oh, on YouTube?
You.
Oh, well, I do. Yeah, because I've got. I think that's the mixer, and I don't know how to turn that down without decreasing the volume of the mic. I think that's just the mixer.
I lost you.
I suppose I could. Let's see, let me refresh my. What? Oh. Just hit reload.
Yeah, it's doing it.
Yeah, I think that's the mixer doing that. And I don't know if there's much that I can do about it. I did
I don't notice it.
really.
I don't know why. Yeah.
Well, I mean, maybe if I'm playing stuff, yeah, it tends to get masked, but like right now, and I'm just using the microphone, it's more prevalent, and I don't
Yeah, I think-
know.
I think I kind of.
Yeah, no, you can, and
Yeah.
I apologize for that. Probably if I got a more expensive unit with more channels and more features, it would probably be better. And I may or may not do that though, because I don't really need a really expensive unit.
Well, especially considering frequency at which you do videos.
Yeah.
So
But no, what?
Frequency BT2 videos.
Oh yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah, I've been kind of going, Maybe one like Liam's. I'm not sure what he uses.
uses a Rode NT1. That's what it is.
Oh, for the microphone?
Yeah.
And I know he's got a I think he's got an analog mixer, and maybe, although I don't know.
I don't know what the Rode NT1 is. I haven't heard of it
It's a
other than-
microphone,
Oh,
I think.
yeah.
Now we're talking about microphones and random crap.
It's what?
Yeah, it's a I think it's a high-end microphone,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the static. That is kind of... The Blue Yeti, yeah, that one's pretty good, although it's USB. But yeah,
It's like $100, isn't it?
it's $129.
Oh, okay.
Last I checked.
$129. Yeah.
But no, it's pretty good. Although I think if all you're doing is voice and podcasting, you'd probably do just fine with something cheaper.
Hmm.
Unless you need all the modes that it can provide, which, I mean, it's a nice microphone, but you have to think, do I really need that?
$16.59 Apple and Amazon. You can get it for 40 something USD.
On
Really?
Amazon, you can get it for $40. Really? Since when?
That's not what.
Not last I checked.
That's not what Austin got it for, is it?
I think he paid like
'Cause
100.
I know he got
something.
his on Amazon. I'm pretty sure.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 6:00.
Alarm. Notification. Clock.
Motion detected at the front door.
And there's the Ring doorbell going off. That's
I gotta go to work.
really cool.
Let me see.
It'll tell you anywhere you're on the house.
Oh yeah, yeah. The only thing I don't like about the Ring is well,
New notification from Google Chrome. New message from Adele. Louding.com.
oh, what's loud? The yeah, sorry.
Amazon.com. Online shop. Amazon.
Sorry.
Searching. Pop-up box. All departments. Open menu. Wrapping the bottom. Search edit. Search. Battery.
Sorry.
I'm curious. I want to see how much this is.
Yeah, the blue
But blue-
snowball.
Speed.
No, I thought he was saying the Blue Yeti. not the Blue Snowball.
Yeah. Blue Yeti. I'm sorry.
How do you spell it? Y-E-T-I.
YETTI
T-E.
Is it B-L-U-E?
BLU.
Oh.
Space E. Space E. U. Space E. T. T. On. Land. Amazon.com. Blue Yeti. No headings. Blue Yeti USB microphone. Blackout edition. Heading.
Blue Yeti. Yep.
Blue microphones. Yeti Ultimate. Blue Yeti USB microphone. Blackout edition. Period. Blue Yeti. Step 2. Main. Blue Yeti. Yeti. U microphone dash. Blackout edition. Blackout. T-L-A-C-K-O-U-T. Space.
Blackout Edition?
Link 4.3.
Says
Heading level 5. Blue Yeti USB microphone. Blackout edition.
Blue
Yeah,
Yeti
she's
USB
loud.
microphone Blackout Edition.
Blue Yeti. Yeah.
Then there's
Yeti Ultimate USB microphone. Silver.
Yeti Ultimate USB.
Yeti Rambler 30 ounces. Stainless. Blue Yeti USB microphone. Yeti USB microphone dash. Blackout edition. 4.0.
Some of those might come with stands, though.
Yeah, it says 116.65 here.
Holy crap. Yeah.
So I don't know where you heard that you can get it for $40 because it's 116 here.
Yeah, no, it's
So
it's quite pricey, yeah.
Link 7,106.
unless I'm not looking at the right thing, but it says
Blue
Blue Yeti USB microphone blackout edition. I don't know what that.
USB microphone dash. Blackout.
Yeah. Let's see.
Blue microphones. Yeti Ultimate USB microphone. Silver Yeti plus suspension. Blue scissor arm stand plus universal pop filter microphone. Windscreen plus mix stand adapter plus microfiber cloth heading level 5 link. Yeti Rambler 30 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulator tumbler W/max ladder lid heading level 5 link. 4.5 out of 5 stars. Link 2001. Link $34.60. Blue condenser microphone. Shadow Ray 02. Yeti Rambler 30 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler W/max ladder. Blue condenser Yeti Rambler 18 ounces vacuum insulated stainless steel bottle with cap heading level 5 link.
Saying to go down? Yeah, I'm not sure.
What?
Saying to keep going down, because I guess... Well, here, let me look for it. Might as well. Let's see. Man, I am really not in the best position to, No, I don't care about Amazon Business. Sorry. Here, let's do this. Blue Yeti. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting it if it was reasonably priced, but... Blue Yeti USB silver. Nope, this one's $128. $128. Oh, that still works? I didn't not know that the fan in here still worked.
The what still works?
The fan in here, the ceiling fan.
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of neat.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anyone for 40. I'm not seeing anything.
Smart
for
fan,
40
that would be
bucks.
cool. That would be very cool. Right, so Alexa, turn the fan down.
Okay, here's Eco B Plus.
Oh, oops.
Okay, now following your schedule.
Oh, shit. Whoops! I don't know what that did. That did something to the thermostat. Yeah, we have an Ecobee thermostat, and I think I just did something that I didn't want to do. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can send a link. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Because I definitely don't see anything.
Yeah, because we're not finding the cheap Blue Yeti. Because yeah, I would actually be kind of curious to see how that would work.
Because if it is, then I mean.
Brian's got a nice microphone, too.
Yeah. Yeah, if it's that cheap, shoot, that's a deal. Deals, man, deals.
Unless it's a model we don't know about.
Well, yeah, deals like we're...
Yeah? Deals like what?
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry if you can hear Kathy in the background. She is very loud. I apologize for that. But, you know. Let's see. Let's refresh Ice Cassie who's listening. 5 listeners. Oh, no. 3. My bad. I was reading the wrong thing.
We've been pretty much 3 listeners for the whole time.
Yeah, it's alright.
Now I could listen on my iPhone, I could listen on my computer, I could listen on my
You
other
could.
computer, I could listen on my all my Wi-Fi enabled devices, and then you'd have
Like 10.
yeah.
We could
Yeah, really.
That's how some people make their money. Look at subscribe to me, I got 1 million viewers.
Yeah. It went up. Here, let's look at this. Let's close this Amazon tab.
Midnight is set. What? Midnight Assassins?
Dead air, oh no!
Here, let's copy that to the clipboard and paste it.
I don't know what Midnight Assassins is.
Blue microphones, Yeti with Assassin's Creed. Isn't that a video game? Okay, this one's for $89.
What is it?
Yeah, that's for $89.
Is it the same thing?
Includes Assassin's Creed Odyssey PC Digital Standard. Yeah, I think you also get a video game with it, which I don't really need.
Yeah, 89 is still kind of expensive.
Oh, okay, so I think what you're getting is the microphone. Meh. I'm not sure what that said.
You're getting what?
It looks like you're getting the microphone, a stand, a pop filter, and a copy of Assassin's Creed, which is a video game, I think. I mean, I guess that's not bad, except I don't really want the video game, but alright.
You could
Video
give it to
game.
someone.
I could. I could.
Give it to someone. Give it to someone who loves video games.
Yeah. But for $90, you get all that. That's actually not. That's not terrible.
That's a better deal than just getting the microphone outright, I think.
Yeah.
Because I think the one that's for 120 whatever is just the microphone by itself, right?
I believe so.
Yeah.
You buy it, then sell the game. Yeah,
You could.
you could. Sell the game.
Yeah, because I think if you get the one that's 100 whatever, you don't get the. I don't know if you get a stand or anything. Or a,
Yeah, I may
I don't think you get a pop filter or a stand or anything.
Yeah, I may have to check this out then.
So you kind of have to buy that, I think, if you want to get a stand and a pop filter, unless you bought them separately.
Wait, what?
I said you kind of have to buy that
Oh yeah.
if you want to have a stand and a pop filter, unless you bought them separately.
Yeah.
I don't think
That would still probably be more expensive than this. So actually, that's not too bad of a deal. Let's look at the description. This professional quality. field recordings. Yeah, and I think the Yeti has like 2 or 3 different modes. There's stereo, which I think is used for music mainly. There's a couple more, but I'm not sure what they do. Also, too, the Yeti is a desktop microphone, just to keep that in mind.
Well, you can record in stereo with it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool, except I don't really need stereo recording for what I do.
You already...
But still. So yeah, we're just talking about random crap now, but whatever.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not a
I got a
bad...
question. I got a tech question.
Okay.
Can we hook up a Bluetooth headset and listen to this in real time to what you're doing?
I don't think, well... Do you mean my computer or just...
Whatever.
I mean,
Take that earpiece out home. Okay, you got a couple of Bluetooth headsets sitting in a box
Yeah.
over here, okay? Can they connect without cutting off your headsets Bluetooth somehow into this whole thing so I can hear in real time what you guys are talking about?
oh, in real time, yeah. I don't think so. I mean, I guess what we could do would be to like call you on Skype, maybe. That might work better than trying to do.
Oh, you mean add me? Are you talking on Skype now?
We're not on Skype right now, no, but
Mute my.
Are you on it right now? Is that how you're talking to him?
I'm talking to him on Zoom.
Okay.
But no, I mean, I guess I could.
No, I wouldn't
Am I connected?
change it. Don't drop
Mute
it
my-
off. You might go away and get disillusioned and not come back.
He might.
Latest deals and gear. Become engulfed in the dark side. W/Vader Immortal.
Okay, sorry.
Don't
That
cut
was...
them off. Keep bothering. These are our most important customers.
yeah, most important. Yeah, really.
Well, no, I was just thinking, you got these Bluetooth headsets on there. Man, you know,
Yeah, I don't.
to take a Bluetooth adapter on your mixer board.
I could do it with a splitter, but I don't have any splitters on hand.
What's that? All kinds of weird stuff.
Yeah, too much stuff, honestly, probably. Oh, what?
I'm just picking random pieces of equipment up here. A Vantech.
Oh, that's a
RX and TX.
that's a transmitter and receiver for Bluetooth. Although I don't know if it does 2 things at once. Well, actually, maybe it does. I'm not sure. Well, one way to find out.
Well, okay, you know what I'm looking at is you could plug that in and you could run multiple Bluetooths off of it.
I think it works up with. I think it works with 2. Oh, we're just talking about microphones.
Yeah, the blue snowball, yeah.
But that's what this is about.
Yeah.
Okay? You know, it's not just blind specific.
Yeah,
it's
no.
just stuff. I mean, good grief.
Yeah, no, none of what I've been doing has ever been geared directly at blind people. No. Let me look at that link that you posted.
I think it's the blue snowball.
Hmm?
I think the link is for the blue snowball.
Here, let me copy the link and then look at it. Oh yes, that's the blue snowball ice, which is what I have.
Yeah.
Which is decent.
You don't use it anymore, do you?
The stand, the stand is kind of crummy.
Well, the setup you got now works a whole lot better.
You what, Bryant?
You don't
I'm sorry.
use it anymore.
Not really, but it works pretty well. Except it's gone up in price. Wow, it's $70 now.
Mm.
That and oh, my Mac here. Let me turn it down just a smidge. That should hopefully help. The other thing that I'd say too is I've heard good things about the Audio Technica ATR 2100, which you can get for about the same price as that blue snowball, and that one's pretty good.
USB?
So the cool thing with that is it's actually both. So you can use USB or XLR,
Oh,
which is extremely nice. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so there are other options
is it stereo
aside
too?
from that one. No,
Mhm.
no, no. The ones that are in stereo are usually going to cost more.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. And once again, you have to ask yourself, is it really worth it? Because if you're not doing anything that requires recording in stereo, well, you're kind of wasting it. But
Except if you want to stream games and don't have any other means of doing it, then they have to be in stereo, because if they're in mono, then you won't get the full experience. So
true. Although I think well, you could either get a mixer like this one, or I think you can do it in software too. Just send your computer directly through to whatever it is that you're trying to
whatever it is that what?
Whatever it is that you're trying to do.
Oh.
Wait, what? Oh, getting messages saying a crappy laptop microphone? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this goes out to anyone. If you're at least reasonably serious about doing this stuff, get yourself even a cheap microphone, and probably a webcam would probably do you much better than trying to use the built-in ones on your computer.
Mm-hmm.
Although,
I think internal microphones have improved slightly, but they're still not very good.
No, not really. Not really, probably because there's not really a lot of detail paid to them. It's like, oh, well, it's here, but yeah. Yeah, no, it's nope.
But I like the echo effect.
Yeah. Uh-huh. What the heck was that? Oh. Yeah, really. Yeah, there is a bunch of hiss. I'm not sure what causes that. That is really annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with that.
That might be the fan.
I doubt it.
Let me see. We'll do experiment.
No, it's from the mixer, and I'm not sure why.
Yeah, it is.
Not mine. Mine is an old Dell. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure it's not the fan.
It's not that bad.
I don't like Dell computers.
Well, yeah, if you have dead air, it's
Very noticeable.
more noticeable, but if you're doing things on top of it, it's not so bad. So, there you go. Which usually that's what I'm doing, is doing something on top of it, so you don't notice it quite as much. Oh, a Windows Vista that you upgraded to 10? Oh, geez. Okay.
Windows Vista.
Yep. Windows Vista's gone. Soon Windows 7 will be.
I think
Well,
Windows Vista
not
was
gone,
pretty. Windows Vista and Windows 7 had similar interfaces. From what because I used Windows Vista for a little bit, and it looked a lot like Windows 7 did.
From what I have heard from multiple sources, all they did with Windows 7 was clean up Vista.
Mm-hmm.
And yet, people are like, oh, this is so fantastic. It's like, not really. It's just Vista with all the bugs polished and...
Yeah.
Or most of them polished and ironed out. So it's like, well, why are you getting so excited? Because it's just Vista version 2. So, yeah.
Not to mention, Windows 7 had extremely slow startup time.
It can, depending on your computer. Although knowing what I do now, I think that was more to do with the fact that a lot of computers that you buy come with bloatware.
Yeah, which I really should get rid of, but the problem is I don't want to get rid of something that will make my computer unusable.
Bloatware? You can usually get rid of it, and you're fine. Yeah, no, they do that because it makes them cheaper to sell, because the manufacturer gets paid to put that crap on there.
Well, you can also control what programs start up when your system starts, which helps a little bit.
That's the other thing. But
I don't know if it'll completely help. It might help better to just uninstall the stuff, but if you don't have them start up when your system starts, then
that can help, definitely. Oh man.
But it might be better in the long term just to get rid of all that crap.
Yeah. Yeah, you think? I mean, I think...
But I don't want to get rid of something that'll make
let
my
me check
computer
messages.
not work.
Check messages.
A cheap microphone.
What was on?
Chris is using the
cheap microphone that works pretty well. Probably the Blue Snowball.
Yeah.
Blue Snowball's pretty good. Maybe the Audio Technica ATR 2100. Although that one is more expensive. But Not by too much.
Well, if you're serious about recording, don't use headset microphones because generally they don't sound very good.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, Blue Snowball. I think there are others. I just don't know of them off the top of my head.
Anything's better than what comes on the computer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, even Bryant using I think it's a Logitech microphone. It's not terrible. So yeah. Even that's better.
It's okay for like voice chatting, but in terms of recording, I probably need a better microphone, especially if I'm playing games, because my voice gets drowned out by the game. So
hopefully my wait, what? Or is the audio cutting out, or is it just here? Let me look at it here. /stream.mp3. I'm listening to the stream right now.
No, it's working.
No.
It hasn't cut out.
It seems to be, yeah.
I'm one of your three. I'm two of your three listeners.
Let's go back to the page that shows listeners. Yep.
Yeah, if I shut off my laptop, it's over with.
It drops down to a 2 probably.
Me and Brian.
Which is Bryant and someone else
no, I'm
who's
not listening.
Oh. So maybe not then. Okay.
At least I shouldn't be.
There's somebody else out there. Hey!
Yeah, there's someone else listening to it, definitely. So, glad you enjoy the little random talk show here.
Yeah, you should make your own talk show.
Yeah. I could. Certainly. I'm the only one messaging? Yeah, I know.
Somebody else messaged. Was he the one that sent you the link to the Blue Snowball?
Someone in the chat thing that I have going. Yeah, it looks like there's just one person messaging. Although, is there a way to check the people that are actually in there?
Linda Whaley.
Hold on, let me look at my messages.
Oops.
I gave a
that was
link.
you. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you can check how many participants are in a chat. Or check... Oh. You're probably fine, just don't send a whole bunch of them. Oh, Kathy?
Thank you, anonymous listener. We appreciate it.
Listeners 3, yep.
What about Kathy?
Yeah. Microphone picks up everything, doesn't it?
Not...
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Picking up your sister talking to your mom. Mom and your sister are 3 feet apart. You can hear them.
Well, they're just loud. Okay? Just yeah, they're just loud. Actually, I could check who was connected because I can view stats on people that are connected, or I could if I could remember my admin password to the server.
You don't remember your admin password?
It's okay.
Yeah.
We appreciate that. We're not spying on you. We're not the
Yeah.
NSA. Thank
Yeah.
you for listening.
Yeah, no, it's not a major deal. Yeah, no, it's not a major
Well,
deal. It's just
That's not good, because you need your admin password for
not really.
modifying things,
No,
don't you?
not really. The only thing it's really good for is moving people. Like if you're streaming and you have multiple broadcast points, it's good for that. And it's good if you want to take them off, but you usually don't need to do that. So yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, no, not a major deal. Just let's see. Yeah, if you go to if you take the link to the stream and you take off the end of it, so the /stream.mp3, and you plug that into your browser, that will take you to the Icecast page where you can view listeners and things like that, which is kind of cool because it just lets me see kind of
Can you view who they are? Can you view who they are?
No.
Oh.
No. The only thing it does is gives you the info for the current stream and the number of listeners and the maximum number that have been connected.
Oh.
And then there are links to download the playlist so that if you wanted to play it on your iPod or whatever, you could load that. Which is one reason why I really like this, because pretty much anything that can connect to the internet and play MP3s can.
I can play it on the stream probably.
Yep. Yeah. No, that works extremely well. Or I mean, I don't know. Maybe you're one of the few that still uses Winamp.
I don't use Winamp anymore. I used to, but
I used to
can't
love
VLC
Winamp.
do it?
Mm-hmm. VLC, Winamp. You can play this in most web browsers.
I used to use Winamp, but I don't anymore. I used to use it all the time.
Yeah, that's a great player. I don't know if they're gonna continue it or not, because it hasn't been maintained for about 5 years.
Well, now that I have VLC, I don't know if I need it.
Yeah.
Because can't VLC do almost everything that Winamp can?
Pretty much, yeah. Well, and to be fair, I think when iTunes came out, they had a monopoly, because when you wanted to buy the iPod, well, you had to use iTunes, so, you know, there's that.
Which is Apple's closed
Yeah.
community.
Yeah, it's unfortunate because they make decent products. They just, the way they market them and make them exclusive is just like, really? really.
They probably claim it's for security reasons, but
That may be partially true, but Monopoly. Anyway, yeah. But they've been like that for years.
although they've seemed to have gotten worse over it.
Huh?
You want a drink of water or a drink of milk or something?
Just some water, sure. Why not?
Oh, you're not having milk?
Yeah, I'll drink water. Why not? Anyway. Anyway, yeah, that's Apple for you, but no, this will work on pretty much anything, which is really nice. And we're just sending audio, so if you don't have very much data, you know, it's not going to chew through your plan.
Yeah, if it was video,
Which I like
would
about it. Mm-hmm.
probably use more.
Yep. And if I really wanted to, I could probably submit this to iHeart and TuneIn Radio.
Yeah, you could.
Okay. Drink some water.
Yeah, professional grade water in a bottle. Because you don't have your own mug to sell in it.
Mm-hmm.
Although I don't know how much you'd need to submit it to iHeart and TuneIn, because
You
you
get
don't.
messages? Has anybody actually typed you any messages? Or?
One
There hasn't
person.
been anyone.
Nah, you're fine.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Brian. Brian, I'm sorry.
Make sure the cap's on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Bottom's deformed a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. You'll see.
Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, we have at least one person who seems to be listening to this. So hey, cool. Cool. Let's see. Just refreshing this here. 3 listeners. Yep. Okay.
Because all of our stuff is registered as one listener.
No.
No,
Each
each one is.
each device is
Then I'm 2 of your 3.
yeah.
My
Yeah.
My tea's ready. I'll be right back.
Wait, 2? Okay. Oh, you're listening to the stream on something else. Oh.
Yep. No, you should have another listener.
That's terrible. Oh. Oh, we have someone someone joined the Oh, hi. Yes, and I can hear myself because he's listening to this stream on.
Well, that's quite a bit of lag.
Yeah. Lost my tab. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I really like ding.ga. It's pretty slick.
Mm-hmm.
Have to say.
Yeah, I wonder if it says you have another listener now.
It says
It does.
it says I have 4.
Yeah, that's probably. No, if I turn this off.
and I will refresh the page. Yep, back down to 3.
Mm-hmm.
Back down to 3.
Now, technically, I could listen to it on both streams.
And oh god, yes, you could. Good grief. Yeah, and I think the server supports up to like, I'm not sure if I changed it or not, but I think it's at least 200 concurrent connections.
I'm not sure I like how bad the lag is, but
yeah, I mean, I think you can adjust it. I just don't know how, and I don't sorry. I don't want to mess up the configuration file.
yeah.
Oh, I mean, I could just back it up, yeah, which I...
Huh?
Constant Battle? Yeah, I don't play that game.
No, I don't like that game.
Sorry. And yeah, if there is enough interest in IceCast, I may put together a tutorial, although when it comes to setting it up, I'm kind of a newbie, and I haven't really tweaked anything.
Would it
that
have
much.
less lag if you streamed on something like YouTube, or would it be the same?
You know, I don't know, and honestly, I don't think the lag is a major deal.
Yeah.
Especially if you're not part of the stream, because then you're just listening to it.
Yeah.
Reaper,
Well,
but I'm sorry.
I
go
don't
ahead.
know. I don't know if the lag has something to do with IceCast either, if it's just your server, but
No, I think it's a feature of IceCast, because someone told me by default it does that by default for people that have really slow network connections.
yeah, Reaper I've heard of. I haven't really played around with it, but
I've heard of Reaper. It's a music thing, isn't it? Music creation.
you can record on it, but I think it's mostly for people that like to create music.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really a music. Not really into music all that much, so it's like, yeah, it's kind of cool that it's there, but it doesn't really impact me that much. But it's there, and I've heard that it's getting better in terms of being able to use it when you're blind, so that's cool.
What, Reaper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think you can edit audio, but I don't know.
Goldwave's another really good program.
Yes, it is.
I haven't bought it, but
I'm thinking about it. The only thing it lacks is multi-track recording, although I have to ask myself, do I really need that? And not really.
yeah.
But
And really, I mean, the demo of Goldwave, do you know what restrictions it has?
Play the guitar, play the trumpet.
play the yeah. Yeah, the demo of Goldwave is decent, but I mean, honestly, I think if you like it, just pay the, what is it, like
Yeah.
$45 to get a lifetime license,
Yeah.
and you get new versions. Rhythm Rage,
Yeah, I'm not.
I don't know, because that game has a lot of copyrighted stuff in it, and I might get flagged for
Mm-hmm.
a
I know
bunch
YouTube
of that.
will.
not to mention too, I've tried that game and I didn't really like it, so probably not.
Yeah, I'm not crazy about that game. I know that because Liam played it on one of his streams and he got flagged for copyright because it had copyrighted music in it, which is stupid because it's like I'm not the one that's using the music for anything. All I'm doing is playing the game.
I know.
But I guess it's some kind of automated thing that just whenever it detects music from a source, it.
Episode 1
I
VR.
have that game.
Sorry.
I've never.
Audio sub.
Let me turn. Oh, the Japanese game? Probably not. I don't know because that one's not translated, and I don't have the patience to try to listen to broken English translations.
It's 2D though, which is kind of neat.
Yeah,
But
that is kind of cool. But
at least
yeah.
most of it. I don't know if all of it is, but
Apparently, most of it is, except for
the fight. I don't think the fighting is, which I wish it was. But
the combat is a side-scrolling view,
Yeah.
I think. So, left to right.
I think BK3 is my favorite out of the BK series.
Honestly. By far. Except,
Yeah.
my problem with it is you play it once and then you're just done. It's like, okay, what's the point of playing it again? Because you're just doing the same things over and
Well,
over.
I mean, really, if you wanted to, you could play on other difficulties, which makes the game harder. And there's also a Chaos Edition, which I think increases the. I don't know what all it does. I think it increases the speed you walk, and it makes the enemies faster.
Uh,
11.3, I can't remember that.
I think that's one of the Carla missions.
I thought you didn't have to fight with I think you can just say no, and because I don't think you have to have her anymore. I'm a change he made.
Yeah, there's a few levels where you do, and it's just annoying.
I think 11.3 is the one with. What problems are you having with it?
Yeah, what specifically is it? Just trying to? Oh, the bombs. Yeah.
I don't get hit by those very much.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, if you're careful, you can.
I think there's a point where if you're standing somewhere, they all come down. So what you have to do is stand outside of that radius.
Or use a speed drink. You can buy speed potions and run past.
So are you having problems with you, or is it Carla being hit by bombs?
I don't think those will touch her, actually.
I'm pretty sure they do.
Because
Or
if I
maybe
remember,
don't.
they don't affect her. Everything else does, but
Oh, both? Yeah. Yeah, I don't.
I can make one recommendation. Listen to how Chris does it, because
I played it somehow,
yeah.
and I don't remember how I did it now. That's sad, isn't it? I did it like a year and a half ago. Now I don't remember how to do it.
Yeah.
Whoops. Gosh.
I remember when you used to.
Oh yeah, you can't use the shield.
Technically could, but I think the problem is the shields would break really, really quickly because the rocks do a ton of damage, or the bombs, I mean.
Oh yeah.
And not to mention there's a penalty when your shield breaks. You take like 4x damage for a few seconds after the shield breaks. So everything that damages you is like, it does 4 times as much damage. There's a little penalty after your.
Wow. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend trying that because you might just end up dead fairly quickly. But yeah, no. Honestly, though, I haven't been in the mood to play very many games because I am running out of really good ones to play, and the mainstream isn't making their games work for us, and I can't.
Just published. iPad mini 5.
Oh, shut up. I can't. I can't contact any of these mainstream companies because it's like, I guess they. I don't know. They don't want to talk to anyone that's not a company or something, or I don't know. It's just frustrating. But
I mean, there's a few good audio games out there, but I'll be honest, I feel like when people release audio games, they're not as good as they used to be.
no.
They're
Oh no, definitely not.
they're little simple games where all you do is whatever.
What?
And
Oh, sorry. That's Kathy in here. An MP3.
Review. When
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, let me download that real quick.
what is that?
It's a link to a file.
But no, like I feel like we could do so much more with audio games, and it's just
Well, we could.
the audio games that have been released have been disappointing to me. They haven't met
You're so short.
my expectations, and
Sable. Yeah, but that's an RPG engine, and you're going to be restricted by the types of games that
you're
you
gonna
can
be
make for it.
restricted to what the program can and can't do.
Yeah.
'Cause
Yeah, so
from what I understand, it's a bunch of stuff you click on, and to me, you can make a better game if you know how to code. I don't think Sable would.
yeah. Okay, I am downloading this file.
I'm not saying Sable's
it's
the worst program out there, but I just think that you really should know how to code if you're going to create a game. You really should code it, because it'll open up a lot more prospects and opportunities of what you can do.
Oh yeah, certainly. Yeah, just learn a programming language and make your own content, which I would do, but I don't have the patience to program.
Don't rely on a framework that someone's already
Yeah.
created
That's
to do
the wrong
stuff
way.
because
Yeah, that's-
it's
You
probably
what,
not going
Kathy?
to do as much.
That's the one.
Oh,
That's right. That's the worst.
oh.
You know a little bit of BJT, but you have a problem.
Well, I cannot help you.
Yeah, I can't either.
Cannot help you, and I think people should. I think, especially new people making new products should move away from BGT for
Mhm.
various reasons.
I think Phillips even said that.
Yeah. Yeah, he has. Number one, there's no real possibility of making visuals because the language never allowed you to really do that. Oh, Python, yeah, I've heard that's the... I have heard that's the easiest one to actually learn, but I don't have the patience for it. It's interesting because I can sit here and troubleshoot problems all day long, but oh well, you just have to learn and
Yeah.
learn and take things at your own pace, basically. But yeah, no, it's just it's kind of interesting because I can sit here and troubleshoot problems all day, but you try to make me code a program, and I'm just like, yeah, nope. Nope. Just do not have the patience for
So
that.
it's like I could work on a car all day, but I don't want to design one.
Yeah. Exactly. Will I ever play Survive the Wild? I don't know.
It's 7 o'clock.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock. Look at that.
The thing I don't like about his
gotta
games
go.
is
We can bring it.
What? No, it won't work.
No.
Just leave it running so he's got the count. I gotta go pick up the papers.
Okay.
Thank you, Brian.
Yep.
Yeah, no, it's been fun. Just, if nothing else, why not? It gets me talking to people, and, why? Oh, 8, yeah, because you're in Eastern
you must
time,
be
right?
in
So,
East-
yeah.
Friday at Mom.
Yeah,
Same time tomorrow.
Survive the Wild. Survive the Wild, I could play it, and maybe I will stream some games tomorrow, and just see if anyone needs some help or whatnot. But Survive the Wild, I don't know, because I like the concept of it, but when you get into it, I find that you're doing the same things over and over and over again, and there's no clear goal, really.
Yeah.
You're just... So, I mean, it's an interesting concept. I don't know. I mean, I could demonstrate it maybe, but yeah, I know, because it's just like after a while, what do you do?
Not to mention, and I don't know if this is as much the case with Survive the Wild, but I know it was with Red Spot. The admins he recruited were really immature. I think they were like 12-year-old kids,
Jeez.
and they were like they would ban people for no reason and just because they didn't like them or whatever.
Oh, jeez.
So they would abuse their admin powers and
Jeez. Terrible. Yeah, no, oh well.
I'm not a fan of his games, to be honest.
Not really, especially... Oh, excuse me. Especially after getting multiple speed hack warnings and things of that nature. It kind of turned me off of most of his products. It's like, eh. But, yeah, no,
The killer's okay. Well, of course, the killer wasn't made by him, but I'm just saying that the killer is an okay game, although I get bored of it after a little while.
You know what? I tell you what, we can do this again tomorrow, around the same time, and if you guys need some help, great, but we can do that too. Probably play the killer and the killer, and I was thinking also to demonstrate Jim Kitchen's games.
Oh,
because
yeah.
I should really do that. So we'll do all that because I think I think it'd be kind of cool if I can just do these and have you guys ask me questions about just random things. I don't know why not.
Yeah, we can do that tomorrow. And
yeah, we can certainly do that.
do you know what the missions are? Because I heard he added missions in the latest version of the killer.
What is Dreamland? I have no idea what that is. I have no clue. I have no clue. The missions in the killer, the only one that I know of is the only one that I'm aware of is the one where you're going around destroying shelters. However, I cannot demo it because you have to have 100 kills and you have to be a paid contributor.
What does that mean?
You have to you have to have a paid account, basically.
Oh, I kind of wish everyone could participate in them, but
I know. It's dumb. I know.
I'm kind of bored of that game, to be honest, but we can play it tomorrow.
Oh yeah, no, we can definitely. And I think if he adds more to it, it could be really, really...
What?
Oh, that dreamy... hold on. Let's see. Let's check that real quick. Yeah, no, we can do that tomorrow. Definitely, we can stream again. I think that'd be kind of cool. Crazy Party. BitLife. Dreamland official version. Oh. But translation is not yet completed? Oh. Oh.
What?
Some kind of an RPG.
Oh, is it not in English?
I think it's Chinese.
Hmm.
Yeah, I may go... Yeah, I may go check it out later. I don't know. We can probably do that tomorrow, if you like. Yeah, no, I thought there'd be more people joining, but that's okay. Thank you for joining, though. It's been fun. I've had lots of fun.
Yeah.
Both of you, really. You and what's this guy? The guy's name? Adele. Adele. It might not be reading it right, so I apologize for that.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry. Oh gosh. But yeah, no, we can certainly do some more streaming tomorrow. I think I'm gonna get off though, because I'm getting kind of tired.
Yeah.
But I hope you have enjoyed this, and hopefully this will be archived so I can put it up on YouTube. I don't know if anyone would want to listen to. No, I don't know. It'll be up there, so why the heck not? I will put it up there for people to listen to, if you like. Okie doke.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, I think. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And let's see. Let me close out Hangouts. Yep. Oh. See you. Yep. Take it easy. Well, I think that is going to do it for me. I'm going to close out of Ding here.
Okay.
And
Chris left.
yeah, where's my... Let's see here. Okie doke. Well, that's going to do it for me. I will be back probably around the same time, and I think I will post another update to the channel so that you guys will be informed if you so choose to join me. Oh jeez, I'm sorry. Anyway, having said that, you guys take it easy, and I will be back. Bye. Yeah, okay. Like that. I think that's it. Alright, let's make sure it...